Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video. It's a beautiful challenge, beautiful day. What's going on? What we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna go in because everything else is working nice. Let's just check out the game. Let's see how good it is. We got a bunch of now leveling up works. So every time you level up, enemies get stronger. So you're gonna have to keep working on them. You're gonna keep getting stronger as well, so you can handle the stronger enemies. But yeah, it's gonna get tougher and tougher, and they're gonna get more and more HP, and you're gonna have to keep working, and they're gonna do more damage. They're gonna hit you harder, but you're gonna have more HP, so you're gonna be able to be fine. And they're like tougher now. They have like random movements and stuff, and they're gonna kill you really hard. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to straight up go ahead and just see how long I can survive. No, I'm kidding. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna straight up go in and I'm gonna check this movement thingy, and I'm gonna make sure that we have window bounds and we don't get outside of window bounds. So this is fine, but as soon as we hit window bounds, we're gonna set it to 0. Update positions, that's good. Final move is good. So I don't know if I want to just set the position, just completely stop the player and just set the position at the window, or I want to set the current velocity of the player to go. No, because I want to, if you have a shitty computer and you're getting low FPS, I want it to just set the position and just make sure you don't get outside the window. So if there's window collision, if this position get position dot x is less than 0, less or equal to 0, then this, okay, so this is the left of screen, left, then we're gonna do this set this sprite dot set position dot x, no, set position 0 dot f, and then this sprite dot get position dot y. So no problems, no changes in y. This sprite dot, okay, so that's good. That is for the left of the screen. Then we're gonna have to set the current velocity down as well. This current velocity dot x equals 0f, which is good. That's the only thing we accelerate, so we're gonna reset that velocity. Now we're gonna do the same thing for y if it's less than 0. So then we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste it there, and we're gonna say set position.x and then reset the y value to 0. So if the sprite's position, now remember the position is the center of the sprite, I think, because we set the origin to the center, but that should be fine. We can see a little bit of the character go outside the screen. That's okay. We'll do this current velocity dot y equals 0f. There we go. So this makes it a little easier. Else if, and then we're just gonna do a bunch of else ifs. Else if this position is larger or equal to x is larger or equal to this window. Wait, don't I have window bounds? Window. Don't I have a window bounds, dude? Are you serious? Don't I have window bounds? Please. I don't have window bounds. God damn it. Update. I don't have window bounds. That's incredible. That's insane. I think update has window bounds. I think update has window bounds. Yes, it does. So I'm gonna make sure movement has window bounds as well as a vector to u. 2u window bounds, and then just go ahead and copy this. Go up into movement and just paste that there. Go down, window bounds dot x. So we'll go down into update and we'll pass it in window bounds, and then we'll close update. Where is it? God damn it. There we go. So greater or equal to window bounds dot x, we'll set the position of x to window bounds dot x, window nouns, brah, and then reset the x value. We want this. We want that. And then I'm gonna copy this into here. I think it was there already. Whatever. Window bounds dot y, and reset the y thing, and just say this window bounds dot y. So there we go. Now we're not going to be able to move out of screen. So that is very important. That is very, very important. So we can't cheat. See, we can't cheat anymore. We can't cheat anymore. We can't cheat anymore. Where is my position? That is a weird position. Oh, it is up there though. It is up there. Okay. Then we're good. Okay, then I have to do all that stuff then. That didn't look so good though. When I had that really high velocity, I was like boom, and I went out of screen. That was kind of weird. But whatever. If it's less or equal to 0, when I said 0, reset the velocity is important. Okay, so we're good, boys and girls. We good. We good. We good. Okay. So that's great. That's great. This is yeah, that's the window collision right there. We might want to set the position to player center. Do I have a player center in here? Always updated. This player center. Yes. Okay. Okay. To make my life a little easier. This player center dot x. This player center dot y. This player center. So let's see if this works. So then a little bit of it's going to be outside the screen, but that's fine. Oh my god. Damn. Have mercy. Have mercy. I might not want to do that. I think I was kind of dumb. Dumbly done of me. That was dumb. Okay, so so that's fine. Set position of y, set it's 0. This is gonna be fine because if it's above 0, this is the problem. Get position dot x plus this get global bounds dot width is greater than equal to window bounds. Set position y. So wait, this is when it's, because I want to get the right side, so that's plus. This is greater than window bound dot x. Should I get position y minus this get global bounds dot width. So that's good. Same thing for this. This get global bounds dot height. Window minus this get global bounds dot height. So let me see. Maybe this works. Maybe it doesn't. We'll see. We'll see, boys and girls. We'll see. So that works. That is strange. That worked. That is weird. So okay. So set position. That is dumb. Why did I do that? Window bounds dot y minus height, and then wow, I'm so smart. Why are you guys watching my videos again? That's weird. I think I screwed something up pretty bad. There we go. Let's do this. This should be a really easy 2-second fix, but apparently not. Okay, so I'm now locked to the screen bounds, which is both good and bad. There we go. Alright. So yeah, that's our window bounds collision. Finished. Everything in here is good. Enemy, CPP, we're good. 50, there we go. Yeah, so then I'm gonna make another enemy class, enemy type. I'm gonna make some more stuff, some more cool stuff. Enemies shooting at you, enemies kind of flying around in different patterns and stuff. Zigzaggy patterns, you're gonna flip out. You won't even be able to survive. So it's gonna be great. But yeah, the last thing I want to do, I just want to see if the video is too long. No, we got time. In game, I'm gonna make a score keeper. Game over text, score text. All right, and whoops, and I'm gonna go up into game quickly, and I'm gonna initialize this text. It wasn't here though. It was initialized UI. Initialize static text, follow text, game over text. So that's static text, I guess. This score text dot. What if we just do this? I'm just gonna do this, all of this, and just cheat. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, whoops, wrong one. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna remove this. This score text, and it's gonna be not red but white. It's gonna not be 40. It's gonna be 32. It's gonna say nothing in the beginning. It's gonna say score equals 0, and then set position. This it's gonna be 10 plus f and then 10f. So it's just gonna be in top left, and then we're gonna draw it. So draw UI. No, we didn't do draw UI anymore. Game over text. This window. Well, why don't I have draw UI anymore? This draw UI. Why don't I have it for all these regular things? I mean, text tags, fine. I mean, that's fine. Enemies and player UI is like, who cares? I could have all this stuff in here. Score text. This window dot draw this score text. There we go. And then we're just gonna update the score text depending on the players. So update UI player, update UI enemy. For all the players. Okay, so this is per index. We can update it in here, in draw. And then when we update the game, update, and we go through all the players, for all the players, here we go. Update players. Let's see. Update enemies. Update text tags. Where's that player thing? This is if players are alive. This is this for loop. This is the player for loop. So update score. It's not a big deal. This score text dot set string to string std to string. This players at position I dot get score, and then let's update a score. Let's have we have a score text. Let's have a float score as well. Textures, like game stuff, float score. Well, get score, is that an integer? Okay, so we'll have an int score, unsigned score, and then we'll just do this score plus equals equals, well, we could do this. This score equals 0. This score plus equals players dot I dot get score. So it's gonna update the score every time. Get score, score, bro, score, oh my god. And then we're gonna do to string score. Alright, it's a bunch of work for just some small stuff. Let's run this. Let's see. And then we're gonna have a multiplier as well. So the tougher the enemy, the harder it's gonna be. So their HP is the points you get for killing them. Or you should actually, it should be 1 score per enemy, and then you'll get a multiplier per 100 enemies. So do I have time? I don't. We'll do the multiplier in the next video. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye.